Hey, it's Nate here at the Valley RV Supercenter. I'm going to show you the Pinnacle. So right here, you're going to have your outdoor kitchen. Got your stove, mini fridge, a sink, plenty of under storage space here. We're going to come on inside. Huge master bedroom, the king size bed. You're going to have two sinks here. Coming into the bathroom, you're going to have a large shower with a seat for extra space. Plenty of closet space here as well for any of your bathroom essentials. Coming on down, we're going to have your kitchen. Comes with a dishwasher. This is very unique here in the Pinnacles. Plenty of counter space. A TV that's retractable right here. You got 4 burners here in the stovetop with an oven. You got all GE branded kitchen equipment. You have a half bathroom right over here next to your full-size fridge. Walking on up to the front living. You're going to have 2 pull-out couches, and you're going to have reclining chairs right here. You can sit back and relax, and you can watch your TV with the fireplace on. Again, I'm Nate with Valley RV Supercenter. Thank you for watching.